last vlog ko was Tuesday. Now we're Friday. Prepare ko yung lunch ni ate, pati yung snack ni Arlo because we have Arlo sports today. Your lunch is the cheesy, flaky pastry, okay? Arlo will have some too. That's for Arlo. Arlo. Nakaalis na si Daddy at saka si Ate. Napakain ko na din to. Now we will get ready. You okay? You wanna say good morning to the guys? Good morning! I am full. I am happy. I wanna sit on my bouncer. Yes! You happy? I burped already. You watching Peppa? Watching Peppa Pig. Watching Peppa Pig. Watching Peppa Pig. Nakatapos lang din kumain ni Arlo boy. So, bihisan na natin siya. Tapos magbihis na tayo. So, we can go. What time is it? It's the spider?
Yeah.
Who's moving it?
Yeah, I can open the door. There's a spider.
Where?
Not
Not there. No spider.
is that Daddy?
Daddy? Daddy got it? Daddy got the spider?
We did pop you.
Say thank you, Daddy, for getting the spider for us.
Mommy,
Yes.
I can.
Careful.
Pretty.
Suot-suot ko yung from Uniqlo, yung regalo ni Manay. Parang 4 na kulay ata yung 4. Wala na akong necklace kasi naputol, guys. Yan nga bang sinasabi ko, hindi. Diba, Inday? Sinabi ko nga, mapuputol. Naputol nga talaga, Inday. Ay, naku, Inday. Ang dami na nating putol na necklace. Ito din, putol din. Pero okay lang, hindi ito totoo. Yun, bigay yun ni Missy. Hindi naman eh. Buti napansin ko. It's okay. It's just a necklace. So, maghanap tayo ng susuotin na hindi buhol. Ano ba yan? Nagmamadali na nga tayo. Magne-necklace pa tayo. Shoot, buhol man. Ano ba yan? Hindi. Hindi, girl. Ayan. It's 9:03. So, we're on time. Hindi is full. She's here. Si Arlo. Bibihisan ko na lang. Hindi ko talaga ito maubos-ubos. Tagal-tagal ko na yung inuubos. Nadala ko pa yan sa Pinas. Hindi naubos. Na-stop ko kasi siyang gamitin. Kasi, I started using this. Yung from Voinun. Ang dali lang kasi nito. Sunstick kasi to. But, I will use that. And ubusin ko talaga to, promise. Ito yung sa Kahisol. Speaking of promises, yung promise ko sa sarili ko na magde-declutter ako, na-declutter ko na talaga siya, guys. Hindi pa ako tapos, but I decluttered a lot. So, hindi ako nag-vlog ng 2 araw kasi inisip ko mag-edit lang ako. Kasi ang dami kong pending na vlog sa Sydney. Uy, hindi man ako nag-edit ng 1 araw at nag-declutter lang ako ng bongga. Nasimulan ko na kasi. Ang dami kong tupiin ng araw na yun. Naiinis na ako kasi ang dami ko ng damit. Very tight na yung lagayan. So, declutter ko ng bonggang-bongga na hindi inaasahang declutter. Meron pa akong tinira na gusto kong i-declutter kaya lang gusto ko siyang itry. So, yung mga damit na gusto kong itry, nandyan na muna. Pero, I did really well. I think I got rid of, I don't wanna say 50%, but I did get rid of a lot. Kasi sabi ko, kung hindi ko siya nagamit the past 2 years, I'm pretty sure hindi ko siya gagamitin ulit. So, Yun yung mindset ko nung nagde-declutter ako. So, kuha lang ako ng kuha yung mga hindi ko nagamit, wala nang isip-isip. I took advantage din of the mindset na ang sikip-sikip na ng mo. Tapos, ang dami mo pang kailangan i-put away. Ang dami pang kailangan ilagay sa closet mo. Like yung mga nabili ko sa Sydney, hindi ngayon ganun kadami. Sobrang tagal ko na kasing iniisip na mag-declutter din. As in. Sabi ko, pagdating ni mama talaga, magde-declutter talaga ako. Siseryosoin ko talaga. Hindi na nga natuloy si mama. Sabi ko, my gosh, kailan ko pa ito magagawa? Pero nagawa ko siya. So, kaya naman pala. Kaya naman pala. Hindi nga lang ako naka-edit ng isang araw. But okay lang naman. Hindi naman priority ang editing. Di ba, hindi? Oh, she's beautiful. Tapos pagdating ni Dan ng bahay, sabi niya, my gosh, pagod na pagod ka na nga. Ginawa mo pa yan kasi sobrang dami talaga, guys. Yung nakuha kong clip while doing it, ang konti lang nun. Kasi nag-add pa ako, diniclutter ko din yung kay Dan. Like, yung kay Dan walang patawad talaga. Ang dami na niya kasing hindi kasya. Pero inorderan ko din siya ng mga damit. So, may parating akong package from H&M. And sana maganda yung fit sa kanya. Pero kung hindi magustuhan, pwedeng i-return because H&M offers free returns. Alright. Perfume. Basura na to dito. Anong oras? 9:10. Okay. We will change alo soon. And Indie girl is such a happy baby. My beautiful girl. Hey, baby. Hello, beautiful. Nahanap niya sino nagsasalita. I'm here. Hello, my beautiful Indie girl is the best princess. I love you, Mama. You're beautiful. Yeah. Did you pee? Oh, no. I'm sorry. Malamig ba ang kamay ni Mami? Sorry naman. Sorry na. Malamig ba? Ang ganda naman yung Indie ko. Oy, ang ganda naman ang floral na outfit na yan. Oy, ang ganda naman ang floral na outfit na yan ng aking Indie girl. I'll wipe your eye, ha? Wipe the eye of my baby princess. Good job. Hold on. No more. See, wala na. Hold on. Pretty. I love your eyes. Your beautiful eyes, Baba. You will sleep in the car and hopefully you sleep in the pram. So we can help Kuya. No? Gamitin natin to. Oh my gosh. Ito na naman tayo sa mga pabango. Mabango to siya. Dupe daw to ng something. Hindi ko lang maalala kung ano. But it's the Gardenia. Yeah, maliit lang siya, guys. It's only $20. And I've heard a lot of good things about Zara perfumes kasi mura lang siya. Tapos, yun nga, dupe sila ng maraming mga sikat na mga perfumes. But yeah, mabango to. Tingnan lang natin kung maglalast siya. So, ngayon, first time ko siya ginamit. Alright, girl. 9:13. Aga-aga natin, guys. Yung pupuntahan ko, it's only less than 10-minute drive. And yung start ng sport ni Arlo is 10. But I always go early because we don't know what's gonna happen with Indie. Like, if she poos, tas nandun na kami, at least I have time to change. Plus, taking them out of the car, putting them in the pram. So, I always make sure I'm early, especially when I'm bringing Indie. And I don't like being late. Kahit na may mga anak na kami, padami ng padami. I always make sure na I'm early or on time. Kapag late kami, usually kasama ko yan si Dan. Kasi very relaxed lang siya na tao eh. Alright. Everything's clean for Kuya. Because Kuya's... Oh, I need to remember. I need to text Kuya. So, just my usual Friday leggings, guys. From Lorna Jane. And yeah, this top, I will be wearing the Lululemon bag. Alright. Gosh, kakakain lang. Snack na naman. Right here. Huh? More? Yeah. Alright, ready? It is 9:35. Still very early. Merong nagtatrabaho sa gutter. Hindi ko alam, amin ba yung ginagawa nyo sa kapitbahay namin. It's the same people. Dito na kami. Snack agad-agad. Hindi sleeping. Sana matulog siya all the way. 45 minutes, Baba. Bigyan mo kami 45 minutes.
Keep sending sideways. So like on your feet. Send sideways.
Hello? Slide? Go!
Hang on. Wait, keep it under your arm, then you can go really far. It makes a bit big for you. So let's wait. You try again? Because you're only little. No, it's just saying it wrong way. And then you're gonna slide.
Hit it, Ala. Slide, go! Up, up, up. Again.
2 hands.
Yay! Oh, well done. Keep going. Good job. One. No, no, no. Over. Good boy. Go. Go. And then do airplane. 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 Whee! Good job. Yeah, just wait. She fell down? He fell down. Oh my gosh, I think that was Arlo's favorite, guys. The hockey. Or siguro na-miss niya lang talaga gawin. So siguro kahit anong sport yun, magugustuhan niya. Because hindi kami naka-attend last Friday because we were in Sydney. We're gonna move, Baba. Just wait. May mga cars lang sa likod. What is that car doing? Is she waiting for me? Sige, maghintay ka. Sarap, Bob. We're moving. Another bump coming, Indy. She loves bumps. Ready? Bump. Bump. Good girl. She was good. I had to carry her siguro mga halfway kasi nagising siya. Tapos umiiyak na siya sa capsule. Bahay na kami, guys. Nakikinig lang ako sa Showtime. It's 2:36. Kanina pa kami nakauwi. Tulog si Indy. Dami ko lang kasi din ginawa. So, ngayon lang ako naka-vlog. But, I'm gonna do my nails. Tinanggal ko na yung nails ko. I chose this coffin nails from Kmart. Mura lang nito, guys. Na-prep ko na siya. Hindi ko sineryoso masyado yung prep. Kasi ayokong magtagal siya ng bongga. Kasi itong nails na to, hindi siya yung best nails. But I just wanna use it kasi ang tagal ko na itong nabili. So I'm trying to use up what I got first. And isa to sa mga unang nabili ko, diba? Yung Kmart. Mura-mura lang na to. So after i-prep yung nails, i-measure ko lang kung ano yung nail na mag-fit the best. Alo's here today. Alo's here today. Na 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 na. Alo's here today. Kanina pa siya kanta ng kanta. Yun yung kanta sa sports kanina. Sa Ready Steady Go kanina eh. Mommy's here today. Mommy's here today. Na 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 na. Mommy's here today. Ito yung last na step sa prepping the nails. Yung i-wipe siya with ito. It's an alcohol pad I'm using. But you can also use cotton ball with acetone. So I have been doing my own nails, guys, since my, was it last trimester of pregnancy? I don't exactly remember now. Basta, since Philippines. So June. End of June. Ako na gumagawa ng nails ko. Nagpe-press on nails na ako lagi. Pasensya na maingay. The glue that I'm using, I get a lot of questions kapag napapatingin ako ng messages sa Instagram. This is the glue that I'm using. I got it from Amazon. It's the NYK1 brand. And it's the Nail Bond. And maganda siya kasi it is a brush. Sorry sa noise. Alo's here today. Alo's here today. Na 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 na. Alo's here today. So, ang maganda dito sa Kmart, meron siyang numbers. Yung iba kasi, walang numbers. So, at least isang kamay lang yung i-measure ko. Tapos, hanapin ko lang yung number and it should fit the other finger. Cute-cute niya kumakanta siya. Asan yung 6? Yeah. Alo's here today. Alo's here today. Na 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 na. Alo's here today. Alright, I measured all my nails. Ayan na. And then, itong set na to, pwede ko na siyang itapon. Kasi kulang na to. To make. You wanna see? Here, you can play with this. No, 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 here.
I hate this.
Yeah, you can play with this.
I hate this, Mom.
Yeah. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginagawa. Again, hindi ko siya na-prep ng maayos. Sinadya ko lang kasi ayoko siyang mag-last ng bongga, yung nails na to. So, what I do is, so naglalagay ako ng glue dito. Hindi ko siya dinidiretso dito sa tip. Kasi, yun nga, ayoko siyang mag-last ng bongga. This glue is really good. And then, I put it on the nail as well, like that. Again, hindi ko din siya dinidiretso sa tip. Paglagay mo, kailangan paanggulo siyang ganun. See? Paanggulo siyang ganun. And then, slowly press down. Hold it. I just hold it for like 30 seconds to a minute. Kapag nagmamadali ako, minsan nga less than 30 seconds lang. Tapos ginaganon ko din siya, oh, pagilid-gilid. Ayan. That's it. Mabilis na ako kasi lagi ko na siyang ginagawa, guys. Nasasanay na ako. Tapos ganun lang. Repeat mo lang siya sa lahat ng nails. And may nails ka na. Hold on. It bit you? The spider? Oh no, it's not real. It's a toy. I-file ko lang siya saglit nung smooth na nail file. And okay na ako. Saglit lang ito maglalast. Siguro hindi ito aabutin ng 1 week. Pero okay lang. I just really wanna use the nails. Kasi sayang.
I'm home from school. But noted down someone's party. It's Harley.
Yes.
It's Harley. And we actually I'm not going to eat a birthday cake.
No, why not? Did you make her a birthday card?
I did it.
You didn't?
But I don't want it today.
Not today? That's okay. Wow, well done. You did alright. Okay.
You should not let me have it.
You don't like carrots?
No.
Alright, let's open this package. This is from Try Treats.
Is it for me?
For all of us. Pangatlong box na namin to. So if you're not familiar, Try Treats is a subscription box where you get to try different food, snacks from different countries. Na-try namin Taiwan, and then Turkey. I think na-try namin yung Turkey last. Meron tayong code, Simply Raise. It will give you 15% off your first box. Ooh! Allah, I know this flag. Oh my gosh, you guys, look! Korea! We've been to Korea?
Yeah.
No, you haven't. Wait. You haven't been. But Daddy and I have been. That's Seoul, Korea. Babe, you were not alive yet. You were not alive yet then. Alright, ready? Let's open. Let's see what we have. Okay, wait please. Wait. One at a time. I love Korean snacks and Korean food. We got this guy. Oh, this is open. Wait. Can we do it one at a time? Let's do this one first. So we have this one. Oh my gosh, ang sasarap nito. Ito yung mga snacks na gusto ko. What's this? Ah, gummy bears. Or gummies. Yogurt jelly. Gummies. Butter coconut biscuit. Oh my gosh, ang sarap nito. Uy, ito yung favorite na box ko so far. Yan. And this one. Custard. I love this one. Masarap to guys. Na-try ko na to. Choco pie. Na-try ko na din. Masarap din yan. Oh, Ayla opened it already. Oh, ito din. Turtle chips. I love turtle chips.
But they are hot.
Flamin' lime flavor.
You're dying.
Yeah. It's spicy. And then, ito. Seaweed. Yay! Yummy! Is it good? Do you like that one? Okay. We'll put it back. And we'll try it. If you guys want to subscribe, kung gusto nyo mag-try ng different snacks from different countries, please use my code SimplyRace. You will get 15% off. No. We do it one at a time.
No, I'm not gonna eat this one anymore.
Okay, so we wait until you finish it. Once you're finished with it, we can open another one. We can't open everything at once. That's just silly. Nakabihis pala kami kasi pupunta kami sa birthday ni Harley. Or did you tell them that already? I'll change Indy because 5:30 yung start and it's 4:42.
Yeah, I see my foot, guys.
Alright.
You wanna see my other foot, guys?
I don't think they want to see your foot. Okay. Meron pa palang package from Ecolux. Their mousse is really good. And then yung spray din nila, detangler spray was really good as well. Naubusan na nga ako ng detangler spray. Tapos ginamit ko yung bottle spray niya. Pero nilagyan ko ng ibang product because I love the bottle so much. Ang dali niya lang i-spray. Aww! This is packed by Josh. Ang cute naman ito, Ate Lu. This package is packed by him. How good is that? That's really good. Do you want his sticker?
No.
No? Okay.
I want Galaxy.
Oh my gosh, what did you get? What? Oh, it's for Indy. Oh no, is it?
No.
Yeah, it's for Indy. So you don't get water on her face. You can use it too, like that. Okay. Thank you. Ito, this is what I'm talking about. I love this one. Wala siyang parabens, wala siyang phthalates, gluten, soy, dairy, and nut-free. Kid tested, mom approved. Maganda to. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko na bote. Oh, hairspray. Oh my gosh. Ito, wala tayo nito. Wala kami nito. I have the mousse and I used that nung concert ni Ayla. That worked really well. Kung gusto mo ng sleek look, it tamed Ayla's hair. That one works really well, yung ano nila, mousse nila. This one is a Rock and Repel hairspray. Maybe this is their brush again. Oh my gosh, ang ganda! Ang cute! Ay, ang ganda nito, ate. Let's fix your hair now. Let's use these products. Thank you! Ililive ko yung link nila, guys. Ecolux. Ano siya? Australian brand. And most of the ingredients is from natural origin. So, hindi siya ganun ka-harsh sa buhok ng ating mga kids. And yeah, I love their packaging.
Can you put this in it?
Ready? I'll just try it.
My hair's so skin.
That smell good.
You wanna do that?
Sige na, pasigising na si Indy. Ayan. Ay, ang bilis ha. Ayan na agad. Ano na agad siya? Ang ganda din ng brush na to. Ito na naman yung suot niya kasi gusto niya na naman makikipag-matchy-matchy kay Indy. And yung susuotin sana ni Indy is pink. Eh, wala siyang mahanap na matchy-matchy. So, ako na lang. Si Indy lang nag-a-adjust. Let's go! Just wearing a linen top from Seed. This is from Target. And Charles and Keith na sandals and Nano Speedy. Let's go! You ready, girl? Oh, Indy's sleeping. Oh, look how cute.
I'll let you get in there first. Come on, the door's open.
Nice.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, yes.
Where are we going?
To, wow.
Where are we going, Alo? Holly.
I got on to Holly's birthday now.
Oh, you want to show her your turtle?
I'm going to show my sister.
Aww.
I see Tita John.
You want to see Tito John?
Yeah.
Aww. You want to show him your turtle?
I'm going to show my sister.
What do you say to Tito John?
I love you.
Aww. Aww. That is so sweet. Say, I miss you.
Me too.
Aww. Do you want to give him a big hug when you see him?
Yes.
That's good.
I want to give him a hold.
Aww.
I said, I want to give him a hold.
A hold?
Yeah.
You will hold him?
Yeah.
You're gonna hug him and hold him?
No.
What are you gonna say to Ate Harley?
Happy birthday, Happy Harley. Happy birthday, Charlie. You tell me.
We're going to Ate Harley's party.
I love Hadia. I'm going to down bouncy, bouncy slide.
Is that fun, Alo?
Remember the water park? It does have water inside. It does jump in.
Alo, is that dinosaur?
No.
You don't have money.
No. I have this.
Where do you wanna go?
I want more.
Dito na pala kami, guys. Kanina pa kami. Kumain na nga. Kumanta na ng happy birthday. No, you can't go in there. It's locked. It's for big kids. Yeah. Where do you wanna go? Where's Ate? Oh no! Go, Alo. Oh no! Go jump in the ball pit, Ayla. Alo, jump in the ball pit, Alo. Aloston, Ate. Aloston. We gotta go soon. Ayla, we gotta go soon. Go, Alo. Puppy. You guys love your balloon?
I do. Mommy, we don't reach it.
Yes, you can.
Oh, it's done.
Indy was such a good girl today. You're such a good girl, Baba. You're such a good girl. Eh? Gusto niya talagang gumagala eh. Bait-bait niya kanina eh. Huh?
It's clean?
Yeah.
We're about to go.